up, everybody? It is your boy JH Captured here, bringing you another video in the Fay Jones series with video number 2 today. Today we're going to be checking out the Anthony Chapel. It's a short video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Without further ado, let's hop right into the video. So this is the Anthony Chapel in Hot Springs, Arkansas. One of Fay Jones' chapels. This is not the Thorn Crown Chapel, which was actually his first one. And this chapel behind me is pretty breathtaking. I think all of Fay Jones' work is breathtaking, but Thorn Crown has a special place in my heart for sure. That is the chapel. It's absolutely beautiful.